Ayan guys, start na. Jab by Louis. Cannot hit Louis. Louis is hesitated. Boom. Jab straight by Neri. Cannot hit. Cannot landed. Nani cross. Not landed. Jab. Hook. Neri cannot hit. Cannot landed. Straight by Noi. Miss again. Straight by Noi. Miss again. Jab. Miss again. Jab. Only fake. Neri. Jab by Inoue. Cannot landed. Throw back Neri. Hook by Neri. Chismas guys, chismas. This is a chismas. Yun! Good! Tinamaan! Bumagsak mga kapatid. Si Naoya Inoue, first time na bumagsak. Patay tayo dyan. Ayawan ko lang kung makarecover siya ngayon guys. Hala, Pantera Neri na datak. Pantera Neri datak. Kevin na hihaging. Oh. Jab. Boom. Power punch. Left and right. Hook to the body. Running. Hook to the head. Jab straight. Hook to the head. Inoue now running legs. For the first ever Inoue running Inoue. Continue punching each other. Neri with a power left hand. Miss. Jab each other. Not landed. Naoya is not a good condition in the first round. Jab. Inoue. He can beat the bell. So we have to watch the second round if ever Naoya can rest back Pantera Neri. Yung answer. Piyong boom. Damage. If alas, maybe you cannot pull up. You cannot wake up if alas. Alas is very good in even is Satpaw. Even is orthodox. He can do it even Satpaw. Lip hook like that. Alas is very Casimiro is very strong. That's why he will never fight Casimiro. Huh? Like this, second round. Chasing each other. Jab. Blocked by jab by Naoya Inoue. Cannot land it to the face of Neri. Jab. Touching the glove. Punching by jab by Inoue. Cannot land it. With Neri. Jab by Neri. Only fake. Jab Neri, only fake. Each other. Jab straight by Inoue. Cannot hit. Jab straight. Jab by Inoue cannot hit again. Pull to the body, jab to the body. Continually jab. Continually jab straight, jab to the body, jab straight to the body. Jab then straight to the body. Inoue running at this moment. Running. Neri now is very strong. Neri is very strong. That's why Inoue is a coward. He afraid. But Casimiro, maybe he will finish both of you. You see? See? Why like that? Only like that. Punching the gloves. Only the gloves punching? No. No? Oh. Jab by Inoue to the face of Neri. It would landed. Fake Neri fake. Fake the gloves, Neri. Only like that. Punching by Inoue, very strong but cannot hit. Punching by Neri, but cannot hit. It is missed but countered by knockdown by Naoya Inoue. Neri is knocked down at this moment, no? He will answered. Boom. So even. So it is even now. One knockdown for Inoue, one knockdown for Neri, tall brother and sisters. One knockdown. Really strong. Inoue now. Maybe the drugs is already in effect. 07. Even, we are even now. One knockdown for Neri, one knockdown for Inoue in the first round. See, he got countered because he will not sleep in the on the directly to the underarm of Naoya Inoue. That's why he countered. You see? Countered. And his hands open. That's why he countered by Inoue. Pantera Neri is knocked down at this moment. See guys? See? It is even. Now even, huh? It is even. Supposedly it is even, no? He missed. And then he countered by the fork. Stroke straight, not the fork.